Regina from Pampered Soaps. Happy Saturday. Today we are making our avocado soap with fresh avocado. So you can see I have a fresh avocado here that I'll cut in a moment. I have my oils mixed up, ready to go, and my lye water as always. So the way I like to do it, for those of you that are familiar with our channel, I like to go off camera and mix everything up after I explain to you what I am making. And then I'll come back once everything is mixed up and we'll start the process of putting this wonderful avocado soap together with fresh avocado. I will also explain the benefits of using fresh avocado. So we'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I am back on camera just for a moment. I just wanted you to see that I have mixed up the oils here and I have mixed up the avocado. So if you can see that, it's a beautiful green color right here. So this we don't really need any color for. I mixed it up with the oils and I'm going to pour it into the main batch and give it a final mix, and then I'm going to add a little bit of poppy seeds for exfoliation. For those of you that follow the channel, you know I love to put exfoliants into most of our soaps. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. I just wanted you to see the avocado that I had to the side here that I'm going to get ready to add it here. So I'm just going to pour it for you guys, and then I'm going to go off camera and mix it up, and then we are good to go. So let me go ahead and pour this in here. If you guys like the how-to videos, you can find us every Saturday here with a how-to video. You can also find us on pamperedsoaps.com and on Instagram, Facebook as Pampered Soaps. All right, so I'm going to mix this up off camera. I'm going to come back and we'll be ready to pour it up and see what it looks like. So we'll be right back, guys. Okay, once again, we are back. I have mixed up my oils and everything. So just to show you before I pour it what it looks like, there you go. I have my poppy seeds in here. I didn't add any color because the fresh avocado was enough color. So if you guys can see that, you'll see it when I pour it too. All right, so just to explain the benefits of why we do the fresh avocado. Fresh avocados contain essential nutrients. They contain antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins C, E, K, and B6. So very good for the skin, very moisturizing. So this is one of our most popular soaps that we do, just because of all the vitamins that goes into it. We also use avocado oil in some of our soaps, which provides an additional vitamins as well. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this down with alcohol. Alrighty. And we're going to get ready to pour this baby. Perfect. I love it when I don't have to use color. Natural color. It's always the best way to go if possible. Okay. I might have to tap this a little bit. Make sure you guys can see that on camera there. Okay, here we go. And I'm just going to do a little bit more on this side. Okay. And as always, we'll show you when we're ready to cut it, what it looks like after it's been cut. All right, I'm gonna spray the top again with alcohol. Okay, remember to like us. We're a new channel, so liking really helps with the algorithm and everything for YouTube, so we really appreciate that. Subscribe if you would like to see more how-to videos every Saturday from us. Find us at our website, pamperedsoaps.com. You'll also see that in the description down below. And we are on Instagram and Facebook under Pampered Soaps. So check us out, say hi. Any questions you may have, let us know, and we will definitely respond to those. Until next Saturday, we will see you then. Be blessed, guys.